Alright, y'all. We are in Amber Cove, the Dominican Republic. Look at this view. How gorgeous. Just beautiful. I can actually absolutely see maybe, you know, how people have had vacations here. I know there's been a lot of bad news in the press about the Dominican Republic, but it is gorgeous. You can tell, I guess it rains a lot because it's so green in the hills and stuff. So yeah, we're getting ready to venture out. We'll probably be walking out over here on that dock. Check out the view, y'all. Look at the beautiful water. It's gorgeous out. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I wonder if we're the only boat in the port, but we'll see, I guess, once we step out of it. Lots of shops, so it looks like you don't have to go far if you don't want to. If you're not trying to do an excursion or anything, there's plenty of shops around here to look into. So. Say everything in here is $25 or less, so we'll see.
Recuerde, lo que no se puede mojar, usted tiene que poner el ciclo y eso. All of this is amber. How gorgeous. Amber.
Now I wanna let you know that
Alright guys, we are at no, we're not at Pig and Anchor. We're at Shebang. And this is, if I haven't showed you guys, this is how you do all your menus. So you need to bring your phone with you so that way you can look at the menu, and then they also have like a wine list. And that's almost in every restaurant that you sit down and eat at. So Shebang is like a mixture of Chinese and Mexican. So it's pretty cool. So we're going to check it out and see what it's all about and bring you guys along.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights,